anticipated moment, prize distribution, where students will be awarded for full attendance and other achievements.
Regular for the school, Star Performer of the Year and Emerging Student Award. I request our Chief Guest, Dr. Sanjay Kumar Mahapatra, to give away the prizes. Let's start with applause. I request all the audience. Emerging Student of the Year, Trisif Kanungo. Now let's move to class Nursery B. Perfect Attendance Award, Shivakshit Samal. Star Performer of the Year, Adriti Senapati. Emerging Student of the Year, Shivans Pratap Swain. I request the audience, let's encourage all our winners with a big round of applause. Next, let's move to LKG A, Perfect Attendance Award, Mayank Raj Samal. Star Performer of the Year, Rudransh Mahanti. Emerging Student of the Year, Vivek Rath. We have introduced Emerging Student of the Year who has shown a remarkable improvement and potential during this academic year. Now let's move to class LKG B. Perfect Attendance Award, H. Divyajyoti Prusti. And Shai Shreyans Dhal. Star Performer of the Year, Stuti Pragya Sahu. Emerging Student of the Year, Himanshi Soni. Now let's move to LKG C, Perfect Attendance Award, Shreyas Nayak, absent. Swabhiman Nayak and Tanushri Pradhan. Star Performer of the Year, Ashiki Senapati. Emerging Student of the Year, R.V. Mishra. Now I request our guest of honor, Father Paul Roshan Soy, to give away the prizes. Thank you, sir. Baral. Now let's move to class UKGC Perfect Attendance Award Arpit Lakra. Star Performer of the Year Shudesna Vishwal. Emerging Student of the Year Shraddha Sulagna Sahu. Now let's move to class 1A. Perfect Attendance Award. 3 of them are there. Aradhya Das, Abhipsha Swai and Saida Sethi. Star Performer of the Year Siddhi Pragyanjana. Emerging Student of the Year Pranishka Khuntia. Class 1B Perfect Attendance Award goes to Prachit Samal. Star Performer of the Year goes to Sai Sampanna Prusti. Emerging Student of the Year goes to Elena Rosalind Badaset.
Dear parents and audience, they deserve thunderous clap.
Thank you, Father. Now I request our guest of honor, Father Brigadier Prahan Prathamesh Behera. Emerging Student of the Year Lee Prabhudayal. Now let's move to class 2A, Perfect Attendance Award, Ayush Baral, Ananya Priyadarshini Jaina. Star Performer of the Year, Utkarsh Anukalp Sahu. Emerging Student of the Year, Simon Rao. Star Performer of the Year, Rishabh Bihari. Emerging Student of the Year, Adya. Perfect Attendance. Star Performer of the Year, Debanshi Debadullava. Introducing Student of the Year Jagruti Nayak. One of the student was absent, LKG C, Shreyas Nayak. Perfect Attendance Award. Shreyas Nayak. So audience, let's give them a huge round of applause and congratulate all the winners and appreciate every student for their efforts. Thank you.